I used to drive around the marathon course ahead of each race. At this time, I set an eye-catching target for each course. For example, the first target was to create my own signature, bank building, second big tree, third reed house, etc. The target has been set up in various places throughout the full course, and when the game began, I rushed toward the first target with a speed of 100 meters. After arriving at the first target point, I ran toward the second target at the same speed. In this way, the full course over 40 kilometers was divided into smaller courses, making it much easier to run. At first, I targeted and ran the finish line tape 40 kilometers away without knowing nothing about it. Then I ran only a few kilometers and got tired, so I couldn't run anymore. I was scared from the beginning because I thought it was still far to the finish line. This story is the secret behind Yamada Hanichi's victory in his autobiography after winning the 1984 Tokyo International Invitation Marathon and the 1986 Italian International Invitation Marathon. There are people who do things that ordinary people can't even think about. How do they manage to do that enormous thing? It's because, as in the previous case, the goals are divided into small things that they can do right away. No matter how hard it seems, you can do it easily by dividing it into several small things. Challenging a big goal from the start is easy to fail. The goal feels too far and hard, so you give up halfway. Divide large goals into smaller units and achieve these little goals one by one. This is a wise way to achieve big goals.